In this video, we will see how to manage the linked master and subdocuments. In the earlier videos, we demonstrated how to convert parts of a single document into subdocuments, and how to link multiple documents into one master document. In this video, we will see some of the useful operations that can be performed on subdocuments. Hiding contents of a subdocument. Merging multiple subdocuments into one subdocument. Merging one or more subdocuments into the master document. To try out these features, you can visit our blog and download the sample files. Check the description for the link to the blog post. In our sample files, the Microsoft Word tips document is the master document, while all other files are subdocuments. Consider the case where you want to hide the contents of a subdocument in the master document. For this, open the master document and switch to the outline view. On the ribbon, on the Outlining tab, in the Master Document group, click Collapse Subdocuments. The content of the subdocument is hidden, and only the file name, with the path is displayed. Even in the print view, only the path will be displayed. This can help you in identifying the name and location of the source of the subdocument, and focus on the contents of the master document. Let us now consider the second scenario, where you want to merge two or more subdocuments into a single subdocument. It is important to note that you can only merge subdocuments from within the master document. Also, only adjacent subdocuments can be merged. To merge subdocuments, first, open the master document, and switch to the outline view. If the subdocuments are collapsed, on the ribbon, in the Outlining tab, in the Master Document group, click Expand Subdocuments. On the ribbon, on the Outlining tab, in the Master Document group, click the Show Document command. New options are displayed in the Master Document group. Press Shift, and select the contents of the subdocuments to be merged. Remember, you can simply click the subdocument symbol to select the entire subdocument. In the Master Document group, click Merge. The contents of all selected subdocuments are merged in the first subdocument that was selected. Save the master document. It is advisable to delete the individual files of those subdocuments that have been merged into first subdocument. Open the first subdocument file separately, and you will see the contents that have been merged into it. Now, consider the case where you want to merge the subdocuments into the master document. For this, open the master document, and switch to the outline view. Ensure the subdocuments are expanded. Select the contents of the subdocuments that need to be merged into the master document. Remember, you can simply click the subdocument symbol to select the entire subdocument. On the ribbon, on the Outlining tab, in the Master Document group, click Unlink. The contents of the selected subdocuments are now a part of the master document. Save the master document. It is advisable that you delete the files of the subdocuments which have been merged. These are some of the operations that can be performed on the master and subdocuments. Thank you for watching this video.